back, another vid. Got some parts from Z1. Got the wrong parts from Z1.
Yes, sir. Wrong parts. Wrong parts.
It's his fault though. Don't blame on Z1.
It is my fault. Y'all see that? Oh, hold on, if it'll focus. I don't have one of those, so we're just gonna leave them in the box. I'll probably send it back. I sound very enthusiastic.
Yeah, I mean, that's what happens when you buy the wrong parts.
But then, I did get a right one. A trans brace, a transmission bushing, transmission mount, polyurethane transmission mount. There we go. That's pretty. The other one was the same color, but you know, the wrong thing. It's all dirty. I fucked
I thought
up.
it was brushed silver, not chrome. The other part.
It is, yeah.
Is this soft though?
It's poly. It's like my motor mounts. It's like the bumper, I guess, but you know the bumper is a different kind of poly.
My coilover bushing, the bottom of it, you can like squeeze it together. It's really soft. So
I want to know how that feels.
No, the dude said it's trash. Like it's gonna go out soon. Like as soon as I go down the road and I go, what? He said probably 2 years. He's like 2 years. You're gonna change that bottom piece out. I said, well,
I'm gonna jack it up.
I have to get a new one.
And I'll get back to you guys in a second. It's just off the ground.
I'll figure them out with the coilover.
Alright, we into the whip.
Drive the car.
He's right here.
That's his only job. He just drives the car. Somebody else owns it.
I'm kind of crammed up, so grab these 414s. Put a jack on the transmission. Zip that down. Tip that off. And I set the camera up, throw a time lapse up. So give me a second. I'm a little crammed under here right now. I don't have the car high enough as I thought I did. Oof.
Oh no! The only person that owns their own car, John Ford.
We're not gonna talk about that.
He's the only guy that owns his car.
So we got the heater on, so it's loud, but look at that. See right there. I'm gonna put it beside the new one and I'll show y'all what it's looking like. It's just all 14s. You got your 2 14s on your brace, or your 4 14s I should say. Then you got your 14 that goes through here, and then you got your 2 14s that go right here. And then that's all. Get from under the car and I'll get back with y'all. So that's what's outside. Z1 polyurethane transmission mount. Going in the install. So let's get it in there and then let's go for a little POV, see how she feels. You know, I'm sized. I'm a little bummed about the diff brace, but you know it is what it is. See my boy buy it off me, whatever the case may be, get another one, you know, shit happens. So, let's get to it. Alright, listen, she's clean. Let's see how she feels. Alright, we got the POV going. I hope you can hear me. You know the whip loud. It's raining, so we ain't going crazy or nothing. But just off the cruise, and I don't notice no difference. I mean, it feel good. It's always so good. That's all I can say. I ain't really bamming out right now. Like I said, it's raining, so I'm sick. I ain't got the diff brace. I low-key wanted that junk, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna return it and cop that junk. Give me the next cop. Or whatever the case may be. But just going for a slight cruise. It's raining outside, so I ain't trying to go crazy or nothing, you know. The shifter definitely feels a lot better for sure skis. Better going in gear. That's just my personal opinion. Felt the difference though. Came down just now. I wasn't recording, but came down just now. And what I do? Bang second and third. Give it a little, just put a little gas on that. Definitely felt the difference on that one. I can't see shit. For sure, for sure. Alright, that's that. That's gonna be the end of this video. I'm not gonna do too much driving out because it's wet. You know, we like to drive in the rain. Real wheel drive at that. So, you know, like, comment, subscribe. Put the links in the bio. Mobbin page, you know, my page, Snap. Do your due diligence. Nice little easy install. You trying to get the pull? I'll give you the pull. I'm in second. Go ahead. Slight pull. I ain't want to go too much and lose it in the back. You know, it ain't worth it. There's a little slight pull. A Zion gent, by the way. Is that gent too fast for me? You know, DE problems.